Hello students, in this session we will discuss about alcohols. First let us see what are alcohols. Alcohols are the compounds in which hydroxyl group, this is known as OH or this is hydroxyl group is attached to saturated hydrocarbon. Hydroxyl group is attached to saturated carbon atom is attached to saturated carbon atom. These are the class of organic compounds in which OH, that is also called as hydroxyl group, that is attached to saturated carbon atom, or they are hydroxyl derivatives of, these are also called as hydroxyl derivatives of alkenes. Hydroxyl derivatives of alkenes. And the functional group of alcohol is OH. We can write it as, this is carbon and this is OH. Functional group is OH and this is saturated carbon atom because carbon atom contains 4 single bonds around it. Now let us see the classification part. Classification of alcohols. Alcohols may be classified as mono. Alcohols may be classified as mono, di, tri, or polyhydric alcohols. Polyhydric alcohols, depending on whether they contain 1, 2, 3 or many hydroxyl groups in their structure as given below. These examples: ethyl alcohol, this is also known as ethanol. This is example for monohydric alcohol. The second is ethylene glycol. This is example for dihydric alcohol. Next is glycerol. Is example for trihydric alcohol. Next is sorbitol. This is example for polyhydric alcohol. This classification depends on the number of OH group present in a molecule of organic compound. It contains only one OH group, so it is monohydric alcohol. It contains two OH groups, so dihydric alcohol. It contains three OH groups in their molecules, so trihydric alcohol. It contains more than three. Here 4, 5, 6. It contains more than 3 OH groups in a molecule. Hence it is called as polyhydric alcohol. Now let us discuss classification of alcohols on the basis of hybridization. Based on hybridization, alcohols are classified into two types. Number one is compound containing sp3COH. What means here OH is attached to the carbon atom which undergoes sp3 hybridization. Second is compound containing sp2COH bond. Here hydroxyl group or OH is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, now let us discuss one by one. Type 1. First type of classification, compound containing sp3COH bond. Compound containing sp3COH bond. In this class of organic compounds, the OH group is present on the saturated carbon atom, or the OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This is also called as saturated carbon atom. If it undergoes sp3 hybridization, means it is saturated carbon atom. Saturated carbon atom. They are further classified as primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Primary 1 degree, secondary 2 degree and tertiary 3 degree alcohols. Number 2, allylic alcohols. Allylic alcohols. Number 3, benzylic alcohols. Benzylic alcohols. In all these three cases, OH group is attached to saturated carbon atom or sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Okay. First, let us discuss primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. Primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. First, let us see what is primary alcohol. These are the alcohols where OH group is attached to. These are the alcohols where OH group is attached to primary carbon atom. OH group is attached to primary carbon atom. They are represented by general formula. Their general formula is, they are represented by the general formula RCH2OH. RCH2OH. Here, the carbon atom to which OH group is attached to is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Example, CH3CH2OH. CH3CH2OH. Ethanol. Here this carbon atom is primary. This carbon atom is primary. Another example, CH3CH2OH. Propan 1-ol or 1-propanol. Propan 1-ol. Here OH group is attached to primary carbon. Hence these are called as primary alcohols. Number 2, secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols are those where the OH group is attached to secondary carbon atom. Secondary carbon atom. General formula is R2CHOH. This carbon atom is secondary. This carbon atom is here. This is primary. This is secondary. Example, CH3 twice, CH3, CH3, CHOH. Propan 2-ol. Propan 2-ol. Or this also written as, this one as CH3, CHOH, CH3. Both are same. Propan 2-ol. Next is CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH3. Butan 2-ol. Butan 2-ol. These are the examples of secondary alcohols. Next is tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols are those where OH group is attached to tertiary carbon atom. OH group is attached to tertiary carbon atom and they are represented by general formula R3COH, R3COH. This is the general formula. Example, CH3 thrice, CH3, CH3, CH3 thrice, OH. But this also written as CH3, 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 OH. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. IUPAC name is 2-methyl 2-propanol. 2-methyl 2-propanol. Then these are primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohols. Now we'll discuss allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohols. Allylic alcohols are the compounds in which OH group is bonded or attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond. Here OH group is attached to allylic carbon atom. Allylic carbon atom, or here OH group is attached to or bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond, that is allylic carbon atom. Example, CH2 double bond CH, CH2OH. This carbon atom is sp3 hybridized carbon atom present next to carbon-carbon double bond. This is also called as allylic carbon atom. Allylic carbon atom. Next example, OH. This is cyclohex 2-in-1-ol. Here cyclohex 1-in-2-in-1-ol. Here this is allylic carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom present next to carbon-carbon double bond. This is also called as allylic carbon atom. And such type of organic compounds are called as allylic alcohols. Next, benzylic alcohols. These are the compounds in which OH group is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom present next to an aromatic ring. Here OH group is attached to sp3 carbon atom next to aromatic ring or benzene ring. Next to aromatic ring. Such type of alcohols are called as benzylic alcohols. Example, CH2OH, benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. Here this carbon atom is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3, this is sp3 carbon atom, and this is benzene present next to aromatic ring. Such type of organic compounds are called as primary alcohols. This is primary benzyl alcohol. Primary benzyl alcohol. We can have secondary and tertiary. OH, CH3H. This is secondary benzylic alcohol. Secondary benzylic alcohol name is 1-phenyl ethanol. 1-phenyl ethanol. Here if one more hydrogen atom is replaced by an alkyl group or is it attached to carbon atom, that becomes tertiary. CH3 CH3OH. This is tertiary. Name is 2-phenyl propane. 2-phenyl propane 2. This is primary, this is secondary, and this is tertiary benzylic alcohols. Now we'll discuss second type of classification, that is compound containing sp2COH bond. First, vinylic alcohols. These are the compounds in which OH group. These are the compounds in which the OH group is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. sp2 hybridized carbon atom of a carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon atom of a carbon-carbon double bond. These are called as vinylic alcohols. Example, CH2 double bond CHOH. This is ethanol. Ethanol. Here OH group is attached to sp2. This carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized carbon atom of carbon-carbon double bond. This is sp2 hybridized carbon atom and it is linked with another carbon atom through a double bond. So the name of this compound is ethanol. Next example, CH3 CH double bond CHOH. Prop 1-ene 1-ol. Prop 1-ene 1-ol. Here this carbon atom is sp2 hybridized and it is linked with another carbon atom through double bond. So this is also another example for vinylic alcohol. One more example. OH. This is cyclohex 1-ene 1-ol. Cyclohex 1-ene 1-ol. Here this carbon atom is sp2 hybridized and it is bonded to another carbon atom through a double bond. This is also another example for vinylic alcohol. Next class of organic compound, that is phenols. These are the compounds in which OH group is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of an aromatic ring. OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of an aromatic ring. Aromatic ring. These are phenols are the compounds in which OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of an aromatic ring. Example, phenol, yes, these are the examples for phenols. This is about classification of alcohols.